We have a beautiful Porsche here, desperate need of a headlight restoration. I have no idea the history of these lights. I mean, these lights are really, really bad. Porsche is its own process. It's an expensive process. These lights, if I remember correctly, I think I charged him $300. It takes about a half a day to do the right way, depending on what the customer wants to do. Sometimes I take the lights out. Here's the end result. I mean, look at this. It's like brand new. The Porsche headlights cost thousands and thousands of dollars. If you need a headlight restoration, give us a call. 754-302-0769. We come to you. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Feel free to text us or call us. You can even text us your pictures, and we'll take a look and see what you got. 754-302-0769. We come to you, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Thank you for watching.